Hello, this is an instructional example on how you can use Google Street View and ScreenPal to complete your individual virtual city tour for your local neighborhood. So with this project, what you're viewing now, the Google Street View, should be a video of what you recorded using the 360-degree camera. You should have uploaded the video you took with the 360-degree camera onto Google Street View and use your own video to shoot this individual virtual city tour. So now let's begin my virtual local neighborhood city tour. So this is my neighborhood. We are on H and 24th Street, and today I will show you the path I would take to the Lincoln Memorial. So right now we will just go down H Street toward the east side. You'll see on your left side, this is part of the George Washington University's hospital, while on your right side is one of their junior or senior dormitories. And once we head down to the intersection of 23rd and 8th Street, you'll see on your left side, a block further on what used to be I Street here, is the Foggy Bottom Metro Station. And we're going to walk on towards the opposite side, down 23rd Street. On your left, you will find the old GW Engineering Building. And then once you go a little bit further down, you'll find the old GW Business School. And once we head past, this is G Street, you'll find the GW Greek Grove housing on your left. And we are continuing down 23rd Street. On your left, you will find one of the hottest, also most affordable hotel in Foggy Bottom, the Hive Hotel. It used to be a youth hostel, but it was transferred a couple years ago into the Hive Hotel. They have a lot of very efficient rooms at very affordable pricing, and is a really good location to stay at if you ever stay in DC. And we're going down 23rd Street past East Street, and on your right you will find one of the Navy Yard bases, and on your left you will find many of the state buildings, where it is these buildings are part of the Department of State. And continue walking down 23rd Street. And once you reach Constitution Avenue, on your right, you will find the United States Institution of Peace. It's a bit blocked up by trees here. Let's see if we can get a better view of it. Oh, there we go. It is a very beautiful, spectacular building. I was fortunate enough to go in there once, and it has a very beautiful view of the DC skyline. It is a federal institution that is dedicated to the nonviolent preservation and mitigation of deadly conflict abroad. And once we get past Constitution Avenue, you continue walking past 23rd Street. And from here, you can actually see the Lincoln Memorial already. Walking down towards this roundabout, towards your right, if you go a little bit further, you will actually be able to see and cross the Arlington Bridge over to the Arlington Cemetery. And now we have arrived at the Lincoln Memorial. It is a magnificent building, and you can see more about this memorial in my previous virtual tour. Thank you for viewing. This is just a simple example of how you will use Google Street View and ScreenPal to record your virtual city tour for your local neighborhood.